How to become a super affiliate in niche markets. Over the past years, web hosting has grown bigger than it used to be. With more companies getting into this business and finding the many benefits it can give them, the demand for web hosting has never been higher. These seem to be the trend of today. 38 million people have put up their very first websites online this year, 2005 alone. It is estimated that by 2008, the internet sales industry will top $10 bank. And to think, majority of those sites will be offering different affiliate programs for people to choose and participate into. This only means one thing. It is easier now to find the right web host for your application. The possibility of quality web hosting companies separating themselves from the rest of the industry is anticipated. If this is done, the unprofessional and incompetent ones will suffer. Support will be the #1 consideration for people when choosing a web host. It will be obvious that traditional advertising will become less and less effective. Most people would rather opt for the web host based on things that they see and hear. Also based on the recommendations by those who have tried them and have proved to be successful. This is a great opportunity for web hosting affiliates and resellers alike. There would hundreds of web hosting and programs to choose from that the difficulty in finding the right one for them is not a problem anymore. How does one become a successful affiliate in the niche markets using web hosting? If you think about it, everyone who needs a website needs a web hosting company to host it for them. As of now, there is really no leading hosting industry, so most people choose hosts based from recommendations. Usually, they get it from the ones that have already availed of a web hosting services. With the many hosts offering affiliate programs, there is the tendency to find the one which you think will work best for you. Think of the product you will be promoting. Pattern them to the site and see if they are catering to the same things as you are. When you have been with one host for quite some time and seem not to be making much despite all your effort, leave that one and look for another. There is no use in trying to stick to one and you would be before off in another one. Things will only have to get better from there because you already have been in worse situations. Try this out. If you are quite happy and satisfied with your web host, try to see if they are offering an affiliate program you can participate on. Instead of you paying them, why not make it the other way around, them paying you? The process can be as easy as putting a small, powered by, or hosted by, link at the bottom of your page and you are already in an affiliate business. Why choose paying for your web hosting when you do not have to? Try to get paid by letting people know you like your web host. Always remember that when choosing a web host, choose the one that is known for its fantastic customer support. There are also many hosting affiliate programs. Residual affiliate program is also being hosted. This is the program wherein you get paid a percentage every month for a client that you refer. This can allow you to have a steady source of income. With perseverance, you can even be quite successful in this field. There are a lot of niche markets out there just waiting for the right affiliate to penetrate to them and make that dollar's dream come true. Knowing which one to get into is being confident enough of your potentials and the good results you will be getting. Web hosting is just one affiliate market who could try out and make some good and continuous income. Just remember that to be successful on your endeavor also means that time, effort, and patience is needed. Nobody has invented the perfect affiliate market yet. But some people do know how to make it big in this kind of market. It is just knowing your kind of market and making the earnings there.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.